Hello everyone, welcome back to this physics video. In today's video student we are going to learn itself about that energy losses on sharing. Okay, so while we are going to connect two capacitors, so how much is that energy losses due to this sharing of the charges. Okay, so this is our today's video that we are going to learn. So for this purpose student, I'm just going to consider, let us to have this one as one of the capacitor. Okay, so this capacitor having its capacitance, it is C1 and its potential it is V1. Okay, so what will be the charge on it? So charge will be simply C1 V1. Okay, and there I'm having, this is the second capacitor, so its capacity is C2 and its potential is V2. Okay, so what will be the charge on this capacitor? It will be C2 V2. This is the that charge on this capacitor. Okay, and how much is the total charge? Okay, so we can see over here that net charge on these two capacitor. So net charge, there we will have, if we are going to consider them as a system, so what will be the net charge? It will be as q1 plus q2, and which is equal to that of c1 v1 plus c2 v2. Okay, this is what, this is the net charge on this capacitor. Okay, and how much is the energy stored in it? So that electrostatic potential energy, so this will be equal to, so on these two capacitor, how much is the total potential energy? So potential energy always get added. Okay, so therefore it is the potential energy of first plus potential energy of second. Okay, and this is that initial potential energy, as these two capacitor are not connected together, so at that time we are going to call this is as initial that potential energy, and which is equal to, so this formula of potential energy 1 by 2 c1 v1 ka square, the capacity of first it is c1 and its potential is v1, so then it is 1 by 2 c1 v1 ka square plus of 1 by 2 c2 v2 ka square. Okay, this is what, this is that initial potential energy before sharing, that this much is that energy which is stored in this system of capacitor. Okay, now over here student, we are going to consider that, let us to connect now these two capacitor, as I'm having, there is one and this is second. Okay, its capacity it is C1 and here its capacity is C2. Okay, so student, over here, just to remember the previous those concept which we have studied. Okay, as student we are known that one potential it is v1, while the another potential is what, v2. If I will connect both of these capacitor together with the help of a wire. Okay, so here what I did, I have used a conductor, and with the help of that one I'm going to connect them. So what will happen, the charge will start to flow from their high potential to lower potential. Okay, so if this second body, this second capacitor is having high potential, so what will happen, the charge will flow from this high potential to the low potential. Okay, so in this there will be the flow of the charge. Okay, and up to what time this charge will flow? Okay, so this charge will flow up the time up to which they will not come on the same potential. ठीक है, चार्ज कब तक फ्लो करेगा, जब तक ये दोनों जो कैपेसिटर हैं उनका पोटेंशियल सेम ना हो जाए. ठीक है, सेम पोटेंशियल डजेंट मीन दैट बोथ विल हैव सेम चार्ज. ठीक है, तो सेम पोटेंशियल में दोनों के पास डिफरेंट, क्योंकि साइज के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, एज वी आर नोन ना दैट पोटेंशियल इट इज के क्यू बाई आर. ठीक है, more is that radius, smaller will be the potential of that body. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास that over here due to potential difference जो charges that flows from high flows high to low potential. Okay, and up to what time? Up to both will not come on same potential, will not come on same potential. ठीक है, तो जब तक सेम पोटेंशियल पर ना आ जाए तब तक ये जो चार्जेस है ये फ्लो करते रहेंगे. ठीक है, सो देयरफॉर आई हैव सपोज दैट लेट V is what it is their कॉमन पोटेंशियल. ठीक है, ये वो सेम पोटेंशियल है दोनों का जब चार्जेस का फ्लो दोनों में बंद हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो देयरफॉर ओवर हियर दिस इज V is what it is common potential. ठीक है, what is this common potential? The potential when there is no flow of the charges between the two capacitor. Okay, so thus I'm having now when I connected them together, so they have a common potential, so both will have the same potential. Thereafter the charges will not flow. So how much is the charge now on this first capacitor? So that charge I have supposed it is as q1 dash. Now it is not q1. Why it is not q1? Because there we have the flow of the charge, and as I said that potential that depends on the size. Okay, so therefore both can have the same potential, but it doesn't mean that both will have the same charge. Okay, so thus over here q1 dash, it is the charge, and that it is given by C2V. Okay, after sharing we are having this one. Now on this second body, how much is the charge? So it is q2 dash, and this is given as a name C2V. Okay, so then how much is the net charge? Okay, so after sharing, how much is the net charge after sharing? So this net charge, student, we are having over here q1 dash is there on one body, and that q2 dash is on that second. Okay, and over here how much is this? C2 V plus C, that here it is C1 actually. It is our first capacitor matter is this one, so it is C1. So C2V plus C1V. Okay, this is we are having V is common in them, and we get that it is C1 plus C2 into V. Okay, now just to look over here, student, that as we are known from conservation of law, या फिर law of conservation of charge, law of conservation of charge. Okay, so from there we are knowing one thing, that the charge before sharing and after sharing, that are what that are going to be equal, because there is no new charge developed in this situation. So charge before and charge after sharing, it is going to be same. So how much is the charge before sharing? So already we have written over here, student, you can check that one. Before sharing, this was the charge C1 V1 plus C2 V2. Okay, so it is C1 V1 plus C2 V2, while after sharing it is C1 plus C2. This is the charge after sharing. Now you can calculate from here this common potential. So how much is this common potential? It is C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon my C1 plus C2. So you can also learn it in this way, that it is what net charge upon my that total capacity of these two capacitor which we are having. Okay, so this is important formula which we need to learn. Okay, so we have calculated over here common potential, how much is this, then how much is that final potential energy after sharing. Okay, so therefore electrostatic potential energy after sharing, so then this will be, student, I'm going to give it as a name final. Okay, it is the final electrostatic potential energy after the sharing. So this is the potential energy of this first one. How much is the potential energy? So you will find that after sharing this first body, it is having capacity C1 and common potential V, while the second it is C2 and V. So thus I have it is C1 V का square plus 1 by 2 c2 v का square. Okay, this is over here, and we can do one thing, that 1 by 2 v square is common, and inside it is c1 plus c2. This can be written over here. And how much is the value of this common potential? So that can be placed in this. Okay, so over here this can be as, or that's a final potential energy, but it will be over here 1 by 2, and we can check that it is c1 plus c2 v square. So how much is the value of common potential? It is c1 v1 plus c2 v2 upon में c1 plus c2. So whole square is there, so I have separated this square, numerator and denominator. Okay, so thus over here one power is going to cancel with this one, and we will get that it is 1 by 2 c1 v1 plus c2 v2 का square upon में c1 plus c2. Okay, this is what, this is my final energy, which is stored in those two capacitor after sharing. Okay, now how much is that loss of energy? So loss of energy, it means to student that final energy is going to be lesser as compared to that initial energy. So it is what, it is that initial energy is greater as compared to this final. Okay, therefore there will be the loss of energy. Okay, now how much is that initial energy? So it was 1 by 2 c1 v1 का square plus 1 by 2 c2 v2 का square minus of that final potential energy. It was 1 by 2 c1 v1 plus c2 v2 का whole square upon में that of c1 plus c2. Okay, now as we will take the things common, so if we are looking over here, the denominator it is 1 by 2 in every case, that it is going to common. And the next thing, that is c1 plus c2, it is the denominator, so we are also going to bring it out of the bracket. So c1 and c2, so inside what will left over there? So this c1 and c2, it will multiply to this left side with these two term. Okay, so thus I can have it is c1 v1 का square plus that of c2 v2 का square. So with these two term, this is c1 plus c2, it will multiply minus of, thereafter it is c1 v1 plus c2 v2 का square. Okay, this is over here. Now we can expand the bracket, so it will be 1 by 2 c1 plus c2, and inside there will be the multiplication of this one. First it will do the multiplication with both, and thereafter this second will do the multiplication with this bracket. Okay, so then I can have it is c1 का square v1 का square when c1 will multiply inside, and it is c1 c2 thereafter v2 का square, and plus of c2 will come over here, c1 c2 v1 का square, and plus over there c2 का square v2 का square. This is, and second thing that we will put over here negative sign, and it is a plus b का whole square. So it is a का square plus and this negative sign will multiply inside the bracket, and thereafter it is c2 v2 का square minus of double of ab. So it is c1 c2 v1 v2. Okay, this is we are having. Okay, so now the things which is going to cancel, c1 v1 का square is going to cancel, c2 v2 का square is going to cancel, and those term which remains with us, we need to write them. So look over here, the terms which is going to cancel, it is c1 v1 का square, that is going to be the positive term, it is the negative term, these two will cancel, while there is c2 का square v2 का square, this is going to cancel with this negative term. Okay, so we will left over here one this term, it will be c1 c2 v2 का square, and second term is there this one, and the third term it is the negative term. Okay, so that's which is written over here in this space, that c1 c2 v1 का square plus c1 c2 v2 का square minus of this one term. So what thing is common from inside? c1 c2 is common, so c1 c2 upon my double of c1 plus c2 and it is v1 का square plus v2 का square minus of this double of v1 v2. So you will find that it is what, a minus v का whole square. Okay, so thus I will have this one as that of c1 c2 upon my double of c1 plus c2, and thereafter it will be v1 minus v2 का whole square. Okay, so it doesn't mean that v1 is greater than v2 or either v2 is greater than v1. It doesn't mean, okay, because here what will be happen, and that there will be the square. Okay, so thus we will have this term will be positive term. Okay, remember that, important to note over here, that it doesn't mean whether first body is having high potential or the second is having high potential, because this potential difference ka whole square is used at the last. Okay, so student, over here that we get, what is this? It is that loss of energy, initial minus of final. This is loss of energy. Okay, and you will get that this loss of energy, it is going to be greater than 0. Okay, there it is, u minus that of initial and final, it is going to be greater than 0. Okay, so that means it is a positive quantity, it is positive quantity. So already we come to know over here that this loss is going to be positive. C1, C2 are already capacities, they are positive. So therefore this loss of energy, it is what? It is positive energy. Okay. So that means whenever the two capacitor, they are connected together, so there is some loss of energy, and the loss of energy is always in the form of heat. Energy is always in form of heat. Okay, so if it is the question ki how there is or in which form there is this loss of energy, so then we have to reply it is in the form of heat. And how much is this one? So it is given by this relation c1 c2 upon में double of c1 plus c2 into v1 minus v2 का whole square. Okay, so this is all from my today's video. Thank you, keep on watching.